All right. Hypothesis section of our science fair project. So I know you usually do this on a PowerPoint, but I just thought it would be easier to do this on your paper. So you guys are going to do this for your testable question, but I'm going to model how to do it with mine. So my example testable question is, how does the type of drink affect the length of the time my mouth feels the spiciness of food? So my possible question is, why does blank happen? So I have to relate this to my testable question. So my question would be, why does spiciness happen? Because that is something that I'm measuring. My second question is, how do I measure blank? Well, I know that I'm measuring the time to have the spiciness of the food, so my question would be, how do I measure time? My next question, what causes blank to increase or decrease? Well, I know that I'm all about the spiciness and the time it stays in my mouth, so my question would be, what causes the spiciness to increase or decrease? Another good question is when. So when does blank cause blank? And relating this to my drink, I'm going to write down, when does the drink affect the spiciness of the food? That would be a question that I would ask. And my last question is where. Where does blank occur? So I would write, where does spiciness occur in the mouth? Where does spiciness occur in the mouth? So I'm asking myself these questions and I'm relating it to my testable question. And finally, a hypothesis is a prediction to our testable question. It is in the form that I predict something will happen when I change this because of a reason. So, y'all, it is now time for you to move on to your next page and write down your testable question below and write down the possible questions that you are going to ask.